Alright, so in this video I want to show how I use a specific pop-up text or some sort of a visual reference at any specific point. For example, in this video I am telling the viewer to use the tilde key on a specific matter. But the tilde key is a pretty rare key, so I want to use this visual reference at that specific point where I am mentioning that. And that's what I'm going to show how to accomplish using Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Okay, to start, I have to pinpoint the location where I'm actually talking about the tilde key, which is this one. Let's play it a little bit. Click on the tilde key. Right. So shift left arrow to go a little bit behind. So this is the specific spot I want to make the tilde key pop up. I mean the visual reference or image. This one. I think we can move a little bit farther down to the exact point where I'm talking about the tilde key. So let's see. I'm going to highlight, move forward a little. Click on the tilde key. Right there. This is where I'm actually specifying the tilde key, right? This would be the perfect spot for that visual aid to show up. So now that we have pinpointed the position, we want to go to the assembly. And from my hard drive, I already have this JPEG made. I'm going to drag it and add it to the project. And at this point, I'm going to go ahead and drag this right on top of that playhead. Now, as you can see, it just showed up. And before I position it properly, I want to see how long I want it to continue. So let's shift left arrow, go back a little, play it. Click on the tilde key in the upper left-hand corner and make it larger, so that it's better for the view. Okay, so I guess we're gonna have it a little bit longer. So I'm gonna highlight this by clicking on it, and as I move my mouse to the end, I see that red symbol there, and now I'm gonna hold down the mouse key and drag it to the right to make it a little bit longer. Now, as it is highlighted, I'm going to go ahead and go back to the effects, and from the top here I'll go to the effects control and try to bring the playhead to the beginning so that now I see it on the video. So once again, I'm clicking on it. Now I see the position and scale, everything showing up based on this image. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my mouse on top of this left and right positioning and drag it to the left because I have a little bit of empty space here. And this is the up and down, so I'm going to drag it down a little bit to make it show up a little bit higher, and click on the timeline again, shift left arrow, go a little bit farther back and hit the space bar to play. The border is in here. You can click on the tilde key in the upper left hand corner and make it larger so that it's better for the view. And that's it. So we have pinpointed the position we want the pop-up to show up, which is here, and set up the length and the position and replayed it back. Now it's perfectly situated and pops up at the right time and disappeared when we want it to. And that's it for this video. More videos like this coming up soon. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please smash the like button and the subscribe button. This will help me bring more free contents like this to you every week. Thanks again.